A camera surveillance command center in Tobago broadens crime-fighting capabilities on the island. More than 180 cameras are strategically located along the highway, roadways, seaport and airport and other places of interest in Tobago under a national crime reduction initiative. Minister of National Security Gary Griffith said at the official launch of the Surveillance and Command Center at the Scarborough Coast Guard base that it will add to the efforts that are already showing results.
Putting cameras there will just be cosmetic. So what we have done is the concept of this CCTV installation. It ensures that the persons who are monitoring it, they are properly trained. They can actually look and try to see what can happen even before it happens. And then also, with the use of the National Operations Center, we can ensure that there's real-time monitoring and real-time interception if and when required.
In the last year, Tobago saw serious crime reduction by 39%, tourist-related crime dipped by 69%, crime detection went up from 20 to 25%. There was the full implementation of tourism-oriented policing branch and an increase in the number of police officers on the island.
You may already know that Virgin Airlines has already expressed an interest in returning to Tobago in 2015. So there's even greater impetus to ensure that we preserve the safety that exists now and work harder to ensure that crime has no opportunity to take root.
The Tobago House of Assembly Chief Secretary Orville London welcomed this information and he wants to see crime reduced even further.
National security is definitely not an area where incursion is an issue. In fact, national security is an area where collaboration and cooperation have in fact been the hallmark of the relationship between the Tobago House of Assembly and the ministry, and I want to take the opportunity to publicly commend the minister for the role he has played in ensuring that that collaboration does in fact reap results.
But how will this closed circuit camera system work as part of national surveillance efforts? Permanent Secretary Carl Francis explains.
Having recognized that the CCTV Command Center, originally located at the Tobago Emergency Management Agency TEMA headquarters, was not able to service the expanded network of cameras, a decision was taken to relocate operations to this site at the Coast Guard base in keeping with our crime fighting and prevention efforts.
He explained that Tobago remains a significant part of the national CCTV infrastructure and crime-fighting efforts.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may wish to note, for example, that CCTV coverage was first introduced to Tobago in 2009 with the installation of 69 cameras. Subsequently, in response to concerns expressed by key stakeholders, the number of cameras was increased to 187 by 2012. At present, Tobago accounts for 23% of all the cameras deployed throughout the country.
Reporting from Tobago, Natoya Johnson, News 4.